You're not broke because you don't make enough money. You're simply broke because you don't know what to do with the money that you make. Now, let that sink in. Most people think that they have an income problem, but what they really have is a strategy problem. See, you cannot out earn bad financial habits. My name is Keisha Rondeno. I am a real estate and business CPA and tax strategist. I teach you how to use the tax code to pay less in taxes so you can keep more of the money you make and build wealth. And today we are going to get real about your money habits. So if you are constantly asking yourself, where did all my money go? Then this video is for you. So let's talk about these 6 reasons on why you are always broke and what you can do to change them so one day you can build your wealth. The first reason why you're always broke is because you spend without a plan. And when we say you don't have a plan, I'm saying that you see something and you want it and you just buy it. Wealthy people, what they do is they have a budget and they plan where they want to spend their money. Now, when I speak of budget, one of the first things that many people think is that it's restrictions or you're limited on what you can spend your money on. No, that is not the truth. That is just basically putting a plan in place to where you're going to tell your money where to go. And so it is a tracking tool that helps you spend your money on what you should be spending it on and what you need to spend it on. So when you create a budget, you take the amount of money that you have or the amount of money that you want to include into the budget, and you say that you want a certain amount to go to this category, you want a certain amount to go to another category, but you are directing where you want that money to go. So every month when you take a look at your expenses and you see what you spent your money on, there are no surprises on where your money went. That's what wealthy people do. They create a plan for where they want their money to go. And I can tell you, they always know where their money has gone and what they're going to be spending their money on. So create a budget and go through that budget and try to abide by that budget, because that is one of the easiest ways that you can start to accumulate money in order to build your wealth. The second reason why you are staying broke is because you engage in something that's called lifestyle creep. And lifestyle creep means that as your income increases, you increase your expenses as well too. And so let's say that you get a raise at work, or you're starting a side business and now you're making money from your side business. Well, as soon as you get that additional money, you're thinking, oh, I have more money, now I can spend more money. That is one of the quickest ways to stay broke, because the goal is when you get that raise or when you're receiving more of that extra income, you want to utilize it in a way that's going to help you continue to generate income, or utilize it to where you're not spending more of it. Because as your income increases, if your expenses are going to increase, you're not going to have any additional funds to do anything with, and you're going to stay in the same broke lifestyle that you've always been in. It just means that your broke lifestyle is going to be at $1 amount, and then as your income increases and your expenses increase, your broke lifestyle will be at a higher amount. So be mindful of when you get extra money of what you do with it and how you utilize it, because that is going to be your way of building wealth. Rich people, as they get more money, they're not just spending more money, they're reinvesting it. They're using it on something that's going to bring them a bigger benefit. The third reason that you are broke is because you avoid educating yourself about money. You know you have money and you believe that you have enough money to live the way that you're living, but you don't learn how to truly manage it, and you don't learn how to increase it. Without managing your money correctly and learning how to increase it without increasing the effort, you're going to stay broke. And that's when we talk about investing. Educating yourself on these investment strategies is going to be so helpful for you, because that's one of the easiest way that you can build wealth and you can plan for the future. A lot of times we don't think about those things. We don't want to educate ourselves. We think because we get money, which basically could be living paycheck to paycheck, you're not going to get wealthy living paycheck to paycheck. You're going to get wealthy about educating yourself on what you can do with the money now that's going to bring you additional income, and learning about how you can invest that money that is going to increase your income over time. That is one of the ways that the wealthy get rich and they stay rich. If you talk to them, they will tell you that they have a portfolio that has a wide range of investments in there. That is what you want. So start educating yourself on these things. Understand what type of investment mechanisms will work best for you, because all the same strategies will not work for everyone, but understanding what works for you and actually working towards those investments is going to put you in a position to where you are going to build wealth for the future. The fourth way that you are staying broke is because you are living above your means. You are trying to impress others. So you see what's going on around you, or you see what the next person has, or it looks like this is working for someone else. And so you want those exact same things. The difference may be that you don't have the assets, you don't have the ability in order to get the same things as them, but you want to look like you have the same things as them. Now, when we look at others and you look at what they have, you have no idea what their finances are like, and you have no idea what they had to do to get to where they are. So when you talk to wealthy people or you talk to rich people, many times they don't look rich, they don't look wealthy, and they will tell you they don't care what the next person has. They don't care what someone else is doing. They focus on themselves and they spend their money in the way that's going to be best for them. They know they have money. They don't feel the need to show everyone that they do have money. So think like rich people do. Yes, it is wonderful to have nice things. If it's things that you want to get, things that you want to have, that is absolutely great. But don't live your life trying to impress others and try to have the best of the best because you want others to look at you and to envy you. That is one of the surest ways that you are going to stay broke, because living above your means is not going to do anything to help you get wealthy. So look at your finances, assess where you are, and live the lifestyle that is comfortable for you, that works for you, so you can experience becoming wealthy for the future. The fifth reason why you are broke is because of impulse buying. Now, we all do it. We're all guilty of it. And it happens a lot when you do online shopping. So we get newsletters from our favorite stores, our favorite boutiques. When they send out these emails, usually it's every day there's a sale on something, or get it before it leaves, or last call for purchasing these things. You want it. You see it and you want it. You go to the website, you put it in your cart, and then as you're about to check out, there's all types of other suggestions that you can get. Oh, get this for 20% off, get this for 40% off. And so you're saying, I'm getting a sale, I need all of these things. By the time you need to go and check out, your cart is full of a bunch of things that you really don't need. But because you see it and because it is available to you, it is in your cart, and chances are you end up buying. That is what impulse buying is. And doing this will always keep you broke. What rich people do is that they do not subscribe to their favorite stores and to these emails lists that's saying, oh, get this amount, buy this, it's a one-day sale. They don't really engage in those type of impulse buying because they have created their budget. If their line item in their budget does not say impulse buying at this particular store, 9 times out of 10, they are not going to do it. So try to opt out of those newsletters that you get, or those marketing emails that you get from your favorite stores, because when you see those emails, impulse kicks in and you end up purchasing. Those impulse purchases are going to be one way that you are going to continue to be broke, and it's going to be harder for you to build wealth. The sixth reason why you are broke is because you do not understand taxes. See, the IRS isn't stealing from you. Really, chances are you're probably giving them money that you really shouldn't be giving to them. Understanding tax strategies and how they can benefit you for your personal situation is going to help you so much in the long run. You're probably leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year when it comes to paying your taxes, and I can tell you, rich people, they do not overpay on taxes. They work with their advisors and their CPAs to make sure that they're taking advantage of all strategies that are available for them based on their situation. And that is one way that they do not spend unnecessary money to give to the IRS. You work hard for your money, and you should be able to keep as much of it as you can. So if you don't have strategies in place, and if you aren't learning about what you can do to minimize what you're paying on taxes, chances are you're going to continue to overpay every year, which is going to keep you broke, and it's going to be a lot harder for you to build wealth for the future. Truth of the matter is, you do not have to stay broke. You just need better money habits and real strategies and a mindset that is going to match your goals. So if your goal is to be rich so you can build wealth, I am here to help you do exactly that. Make sure you like this video and you are subscribed so you can get information on how you can pay less in taxes and build wealth. Don't forget to check the description box below for free resources that can help you save more and build wealth. And if you have any tax situations that you need assistance with, use the description box below and click the link in order to schedule a discovery call with my team. We would love to help you pay less in taxes so you can keep more of the money you make and build wealth in your business and your investments. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.